It's moved to marvel which ingredients are healthiest. Culmination and berries are most of the international's maximum popular fitness foods. 1. Apples. Apples are excessive in fiber, diet C, and severa antioxidants. 2. Avocados. Avocados are special than maximum fruits because they are loaded with healthful fat rather than carbs. Not handiest are they creamy and engaging, however additionally excessive in fiber, potassium, and vitamin C3. Bananas. Bananas are among the international satisfactory sources of potassium. They're additionally excessive in vitamin B6 and fiber, as well as convenient and transportable. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are not best delicious, however additionally some of the most effective assets of antioxidants within the global. 5. Oranges. Oranges are widely recognized for their nutrition C content material. What's extra? They're high in fiber and antioxidants. 6. Strawberries. Strawberries are quite nutritious and occasional in both carbs and calories. They're loaded with nutrition C, fiber, and manganese, and are arguably some of the maximum scrumptious foods in life. Different healthy fruits. Different health end result in berries consist of cherries, grapes, grapefruit, kiwi fruit, lemons, mango, melons, olives, peaches, pears, pineapples, plums, and raspberries. Meats. Unprocessed, gently cooked meat is one of the maximum nutritious ingredients you could devour. Lean beef. Lean beef is many of the excellent assets of protein in existence and loaded with notably bioavailable iron. Choosing the fatty cuts is great in case you're on a low-carb weight reduction plan. Bird breasts. Hen breast is low in fat and energy, however extraordinarily excessive in protein. It's a notable supply of many vitamins. Once more, experience unfastened to eat fattier cuts of bird, in case you're not eating that many carbs. Lamb. Lambs are commonly grass-fed, and their meat tends to be high in omega-3 fatty acids. Nuts and seeds. In spite of being high in fats and calories, nuts and seeds may also help you shed pounds. Those ingredients are crunchy, filling, and loaded with crucial nutrients that many people don't get enough of, along with magnesium and vitamin E. Additionally, they require nearly no preparation, in order that they're easy to add in your recurring. Almonds. Almonds are a famous nut loaded with diet E, antioxidants, magnesium, and fiber. Studies display that almonds will let you lose weight and improve metabolic fitness. If you want to read the article, I have put a link in the description. Do not forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell to receive every new video, and also do not forget to share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching.